How to fix Roblox Marketplace not loading problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Task Manager on your device. Then search for Roblox in here. Right-click on Roblox and then End Task, which is the third option. After task has ended, simply open Microsoft Store if you're using app. Search Roblox in here, click on Roblox, and then click on Play. Open your app from here and see if it fixes your problem. If it's in the website, simply open your website with Roblox on. Then click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Log Out. Log out of your account and log back in again. Then your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Roblox Marketplace not loading problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.